Welcome back to Minute Channel 1. Here are some useful garden tips for you. When you are planting a tree, shrub, or flower, dig a hole twice as wide as the pot and just as deep. This will give the roots room to grow and also make it easier for you to water the plant. If you live in a hot climate, water your plants in the evening to reduce water loss through evaporation. Also, if you have plants that are not native to your area, they may require more frequent watering. Mulch your plants to help retain moisture in the soil and also to help suppress weeds. You can use wood chips, straw, or even leaves to mulch your plants. Just don't use plastic or rubber mulch, as this can be harmful to your plants. If you notice that your plants are wilting or drooping, it's time to water them. Check the soil moisture by sticking your finger into the soil. If it's dry, give your plants a good soaking. Be sure to water deeply and thoroughly so that the water reaches the root zone. If you want to attract pollinators like bees and butterflies to your garden, plant flowers with a sweet fragrance. These pollinators are attracted to plants that have a strong scent, so be sure to include some fragrant flowers in your garden. Some good choices are lavender, honeysuckle, and sweet pea. If you have pests in your garden, treat them as soon as possible. Don't wait until the infestation gets out of control. You can use insecticidal soap or neem oil to treat pests. Be sure to follow the directions on the label. If you have diseases in your garden, remove and destroy the affected plants. Don't try to save them. The sooner you remove and destroy the affected plants, the better. This will help prevent the disease from spreading to other plants. After you've weeded your garden, be sure to compost the weeds. Don't just throw them away. Composting the weeds will help break them down and turn them into nutrient-rich soil. This can then be used to fertilize your plants. If you have bare branches in your garden, prune them off. Bare branches are unsightly and they can also be dangerous. They can fall and injure someone or damage property, so be sure to prune them off as soon as possible. If you have a small garden, don't try to grow everything. You won't have enough space. Instead, focus on growing a few things really well. It's better to have a few healthy plants than a lot of sickly ones. So there you have it, 10 useful garden tips. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share.